In today's video, I'm going to show you all the newest working Dress to Impress codes for the brand new Dti Katseye update released in April 2026. This update has just arrived, and it brings a wide range of exciting new content into the game. Players can now enjoy beautifully designed collaboration-themed accessories, stylish and unique outfits, and exclusive limited-time items. The best part is, all of these rewards can be unlocked completely free by using the latest codes. These rewards are especially helpful if you want to stand out in fashion rounds and improve your overall look in the game. So it's very important to redeem all of these codes as soon as possible, because most of them can expire at any time without any warning. Now, before we move on to the codes, I have something special for you to celebrate this brand new update. I am giving away VIP game passes to a few lucky viewers on this channel as a thank you for your support. To participate in the giveaway, just follow a few simple steps carefully. First, like this video. Second, subscribe to the channel. Third, turn on notifications so you never miss any future updates. And finally, comment your Roblox username along with a short reason why you want VIP access. Winners will be selected randomly, so make sure you complete every step properly. I will be checking all entries. Now, let's talk about the update. The developers have clearly put a lot of effort into this Dti Katseye update. They've added a large number of brand new working codes that are currently active. These codes give players the chance to unlock exclusive rewards inside the game, including unique fashion items, accessories, and other special features that can enhance your gameplay and make your character look even more impressive. Some of these rewards are limited and may not return in the future. So again, make sure you redeem them as early as possible. Using these codes means you can get free items without spending any in-game currency, which is a huge advantage for both new and experienced players. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into all the working Dti Katseye update codes for Dress to Impress. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important codes or updates that could help you get free rewards. And one final reminder, if any code doesn't work, don't worry. Try entering it again and double-check your spelling. Even a small mistake, like a wrong letter, incorrect capitalization, or an extra space, can cause the code not to work properly. Let's get started.